Alright, the nice part is 5 and 3, both on the same side. Makes it a little easier. First things first, gotta try the daily kick flip. Oh. Close enough for today. Let's get after it. All right, these are the culprits. 3, 4. So once you get in here, it's pretty open. Not too bad to get to, actually. Check the wires. And we'll ohm them out. So with these, you just unhook the wires, ohm them to ground, and should tell you whether they're good or not. I'm assuming it's the plugs because, I mean, everything else looks to be okay, but guess we'll see. All right, so we have a slight problem. Show you guys. So you can see the nut and the ball are still on the connector, and yeah, we just snapped it off the end but it's still on here and it's bending the electrical connector, so we might just have to cut it off. Seems like the best plan at this point, I think. Oh, great success. On we continue. Get closer and closer. Alright guys, this is how you test some glow plugs. This might be a little tricky with one hand, but let's see. Get this set up here. Okay, so we got the old plug. And you're gonna wanna go ground it out here, because it just grounds the engine block. And then your power supply in is on the top here. So you set your multimeter to ohms. And let's see if I can do this. Ground there. Positive there. We got 0.894 kilo ohms. Can't really see it on my multimeter, but there's a K there. That's the old one. Okay, then we got this brand new one. Do the same thing. There. There. 0.32 ohms. So you can see there's a big difference. Obviously this one is no bueno. So, and I like to put a little bit of anti-seize on these too, because they can get pretty stuck in there when you want to change them. So let's get the other one ripped out, get the new ones in, and should be good to go. All right, that's that. Let's see if it's throwing the coat still. We will Power on. Okay. Let's check this out here quick. We will erase codes. Okay. Okay, they're gone. And we'll do a cycle because see if the glow plugs even come on this thing. So it's too warm to cycle the glow plugs in here. So probably have to put it back together and bring it outside. And yeah, I'll keep you updated.